All right. Starting here, I'm just looking at, I've kind of handpicked an issue here. So I'm looking at my, we have filters that are saved that are by team. So again, all of the issues get automatically triaged. So whenever I'm looking at my team's issues, I would look at under my team's filter. In this case, I just took one issue as an example. Now I'm looking into this issue. First, what's really handy here is that I see there's already a Jira issue open for that. So from here, I can go into that Jira issue, and then I can see the status of that Jira issue. I can see what's going on, and if it's already in a sprint. If not, then I know I need to go and check with the team what's going on and make sure it goes into an upcoming sprint. Now from here, I can go into the issue itself. Releases have been very helpful for us within Sentry. So within Sentry, within this issue here, I see on the right that this issue was first seen 7 days ago with our 2.0.112 release. From here, I can go into that and dig more, and then I can see where the file changed and what actually caused that, which makes it way easier for whoever is on call, whoever is investigating an issue to know, okay, this line of code actually caused that issue to start happening. So from the releases, I can see the commits, see the files changed, and look into narrow down exactly what could have caused this issue to start happening. But what's really more important here, and going back to Codeowners, this issue, when it was first opened, it got automatically assigned to core engineering here. And the reason why it was automatically assigned to code engineering is because of Codeowners. So when I hover here over code engineering, I see that it matched core engineering code ownership rule. And because we own the backend integrations module, that meant that it got automatically assigned to us. So this has been very helpful. It wasn't only helpful on the Sentry side, it was also helpful and a good exercise for us to keep our code owners in a good spot on GitHub. So it forces us to keep updating our code owners on GitHub, and also because we are also getting the benefit of automatically triaging our issues on Sentry. So and in addition to that as well is the fact that we are centrally managing this code ownership in Git helps us a lot, rather than having two sources of truths and then we have to update those source of truths. That would have been very painful for us to keep up to date. Most probably it would have been kind of drifted and out of date.